Hey y'all, I'm Deja Hair here. Today we will be taking black hair and turning it into a brown color. It will be a bob. You want to start off with a empty container and 1 cup of water. Next, you will need 3 scoops of BW2. We're going to be using 20 volume, and we are going to use 1 cup. Once you mix it together, we are going to take our first bundle and dip it into the bleach. You want to make sure you get it saturated. Then we are going to put foil over the container and let it sit for about 25 minutes. So while the bundles are sitting for 20 minutes, you want to go ahead and bleach your closure, and you want to repeat the same steps to your closure. This is how the color turned out. I got it cut and I flat ironed it. So I am going to make this a little darker. So you will need a empty container and a measuring cup. Both of those can be found at the Dollar Tree. And you are going to use 10 cups of water. Now we're going to go in with our Cinnamon by Kiss. I did not use the entire bottle, but I used a lot, but it was still some left. So I did have some extra hair laying around, so I went ahead and just dipped it in the water to see what I was going to be working with. I wanted to see how the color is going to turn out. You do not have to do this step, but I decided to do it. But you're just going to go ahead and dip the wig in the water and let it sit for about 30 minutes. This is how the color turned out. It's very pretty. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for future videos.